What's up, guys, and welcome back to another one. It is Thanksgiving morning 2023 and we're gonna get out here for a couple hours, see if we can't get something in our vest. We're gonna walk one of our favorite fields here. We're just gonna hit a couple of the hot spots and see what we can do. So we're gonna do some easy walking here. I don't really want to get into any like the major thick stuff. Like I said, this is gonna be an easy hunt today. If we get something, great, and if we don't, well, that's fine too. Goodness sakes. Oh my goodness, just pushing through, girl. Just plowing through. You know, we generally don't see a whole heck of a lot on this little strip here, but I have seen bird splush in this little area here in the past, so we always try to walk it just to make sure. It's definitely a very cold morning today. Yeah, outside temperature that my truck was displaying was 21 degrees this morning, and my fingers are already confirming that. It's starting to go a little numb here. Good girl. Here. Here. Couple of hens there. Girl, drop. There's a rooster. They're still flushing over here. Holy cow. Still flushing over here. Alright, so there's a bunch of roosters that went up that way, which there's so much open ground over there, it's unreal. There is one that came over in this little pocket over here, though. This is generally a pretty hot spot right here in this field. So we're gonna go up in here and see if we can't get him back up. And then I think we'll probably head up that way. See if we can't get into those other ones there that took off. I don't know how far they went up, but hen, good girl. Good girl, Luna. Here. I'd almost reach out and say that Luna just pointed. Man, if we would have been about 30 yards back, I think we would have just had our limit in about 10 minutes. Crazy amount of birds there. That's the most I've ever seen in that little pocket before. They're hitting pretty hard over here. Good girl. Oh, Miss Nene, you still got it, girl. Oh, you still got it, don't you? Yeah, you still got it. Oh, you still got it. Do you eat a victory dance? Oh, yeah, you still got it, girl. I tell you what, that old girl, you think she's done. I don't know if that girl's ever gonna be done. She's gonna hunt until the day she dies. It's one of those things, that dog has flushed I don't know how many thousands of birds over the course of her lifetime. So she owes me absolutely nothing at this point. And I don't expect anything from her, but then she does stuff like that, and it just never ceases to amaze me. I don't know, there's just some dogs that have the it factor, and she's one of them.